Now, do you remember last time we did this? We took up a position and just went because there was no one there. I don't think this is going to be the case this time. So, notice the other learner has taken up a offside to offside position, and there's a second car behind it. Look what this guy has done, and look through this guy, and there's another car
behind him
in there as well. What should happen? Is he seriously just going to go across the pavement?
He's just going to go for it, yeah. Yeah, so that works. So that is what you shouldn't do on your driving test.
The same turn and the same junction, only 10 minutes or so later. You watch the taxi in the middle of the junction.
Dead go.
Keep moving, yeah.
And that's what was happening before. Yeah, cut him up.
Goes
Maybe that's what the other fella was going to do before.
Is he going to park in then? He's parking in?
Yeah.
So he's just cut straight across in front of that red one on the inside of it.
For no reason at all.
To then park in 30 yards up the road.
Yeah.
Honestly?
This situation's pretty obvious. I'm in a queue. I'm the correct distance away from the lorry, even though there'll be some out there already typing that I'm too far away. Don't forget our dash cams are wide angled and it's placed at the top of the screen. And then this happens.
It's typical, really. You're going to try and work out what happens with the next set of lights, not these two crossings. The next set,
got it on
turn
red
right.
now.
Yeah.
Going to turn right.
Yep. So you'd still be watching your pupil. Taxi overtaking at a crossing. Boss, aren't they? Tiny penis syndrome. all to turn left. Anyway. It's easy enough. No one there. Now people have got in, or are they going to move off?
It's a taxi, you couldn't do anything at all.
You're right. Question.
Right, meet the situation.
Look at the taxi.
Ash. What are you going to do?
Look at the taxi.
Yeah, well done.
Forcing them off the road. They just...
I had one the other day. I'll tell you about it when we stop sometime.
It's frightening. Alright, how do you feel as though... Oh, this is another little thing as well. Is he going through that red? Oh, it's only 15 seconds late. Right, okay. We'll try and fix it. We'll try and sort it out.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
They obviously don't fancy waiting in the queue. Drive all the way down the outside and just pull up at the front.
The sound's off in this clip because I've got music playing. But have a look at one of my learner cars a bit further up and watch the taxi behind. Watch what it does. All to literally get one space in front. Get a grip. Again, the audio's off because I've got music playing. This fella in a pink shirt isn't the fail, it's the red light.
Times can be off and on, off and on, off and on, off and on until you fix it. Yeah, okay. But generally, releasing once and back on, sort of. So that's okay.
He's just come from the cemetery. If he carries on like that, he'll be going there permanently.
Yeah, you're not wrong. So tell us in a sec, see what this is like. Okay, nice work. Well done. I think the taxi driver needed all the bizarre wheel spin there, did he? Anyway. We'll just see how it flows. If it doesn't flow very far, we'll hook a left.
Okay.
Alright?
Yep.
So, that's it. Don't just follow that red one.
No, just...
What he's doing.
Oh my god.
People are amazing, aren't they? They just can't wait a minute.
Yeah.
The radio's on again, so that's why the audio's off. And I know my hybrid car can be quiet when it's in electric mode, but surely pedestrians should look.
So, say I...
Not many people realise how dangerous this next clip is. Overtaking at a pedestrian crossing is lethal. As the van overtakes the bus, just think, what if a young kid was walking from left to right now? Most people also don't realise that this is more than likely, if caught by the police, going to get you points on your licence. Quite simply, don't do it. And especially if you're just going to turn right and park outside the pub a little bit further up.
We're on Townsend, so that heads up towards Georgeson's car sales.
Yeah, you'd be better off going that way when you take a left. And there you go. You're fed up of waiting.
For what?
For that.
for another set of lights, so we could wait there.
Oh, love it.
Sorry it's a short episode this month, but I have been away for a couple of weeks. Don't forget to like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. If you're interested in any of the gear that I use for production, please click on the links in the description. And finally, what do you think of my new driving school car?